Hello, everyone. Welcome to the heat treatment workshop of Dalian Metallurgical Bearings Code Ltd. First of all, let me show you the Carburizing Steel Heat Treatment Workshop. This is our large carburized steel heat treatment furnace. This forging is now going into the heat treatment furnace. Now our workers are installing and debugging the heat treatment furnace for the next heat treatment of carburized steel. These are the inner and outer rings that are about to be heat treated. These are the rollers that need to be heat treated. These are the inner rings after heat treatment. Next, let's go to the bainite heat treatment workshop. Here is the bainite furnace heat treatment workshop. Here is the control room. This is the furnace where the rollers are heat treated. These are bearing rings awaiting heat treatment. See you at the next workshop.